Okay everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So we're working on our latest pond project. Got the waterfalls built. We're actually filling the pond with water, but before we actually plug the pump in, I wanted to show you how this thing operates. This is the OASE Proficlear self-cleaning koi pond. It's actually the world's only self-cleaning. Has sensors in here that sense a lot of fish poop, and then it washes itself off. Now on the left here is the biological filter. It has tons and tons of SSA or specific surface area. That's where bacteria colonize. You want to get as many bacteria as possible. Then over here to the right, this is the mechanical filtration. What's interesting about this is that this wheel gets caked up and then it gets flushed out. It goes down this black pipe. Now we have it going into the ground, and then it's going to end up over here. Guess where? We're going to put this composter unit on top, so the earthworms will be able to have access to fish fertilizer, so to speak, and they'll be able to help to break down the foodstuffs from the kitchen, and then the homeowner will be able to plant or put this around the fruit trees and around the veggie boxes. So this is kind of gives you an idea of what this place is looking like right now. A year from now, it's going to be paradise. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA and think of OASE products. We just love them. Take care.